Many Nigerian citizens who are doing different online businesses will always be in need of US phone numbers to run their business, and that's exactly why this video comes in. There are some restricted websites that will never allow anybody from Nigeria to access them, except United States citizens and some few countries. In most cases, such websites will ask you to provide a phone number from the United States in order to gain access to their services. Again, you may need to receive a call from a United States business partner or make calls to the partner and you do not want to let them know that you are calling from the United States. This is where you need a Google Voice number. These are many more reasons that prompt Nigerians to seek US phone numbers. This video will direct you on how you too can get a free US phone number for your online businesses. Welcome to Rolladale Business, a business guide for entrepreneurs. If you haven't subscribed, do so and turn on the notification bell for more interesting videos like this. Outside Google Voice number, there are many other websites to get free USA numbers, which we discussed in our previous videos. You can check them out in the description below. The downside of using Google Voice is that only those in Canada and the United States can have access to it. So, if you are a non-US individual and you need to access Google Voice, all you have to do is to get a VPN that can change your IP address to that of the United States and the United States phone number that can be used in verifying your Google Voice account. If you find it difficult to get any of them, let me see your comments below. I will be happy to guide you on how to get it. Now, here are steps you can take in obtaining your US phone number via Google Voice. Step 1. Visit Google Voice website and sign up using your Google account, like Gmail account. Step 2. You will be prompted to set up your Google Voice number. Or you can click on the Get a Google Voice number link if the set prompt does not come up. This link is located on the left side of the web page. Step 3. Click on the I want a new number tab. After, provide the US number you got from the previous videos and this will be used for your SMS verification. Step 4. The confirmation number will be located on the next prompt screen that shows up. Click on the Call Me Now tab in order to verify this number. The phone number must be close by to enable you to answer the call. When the phone rings, you will be given a confirmation number. Type the confirmation number in the space provided when you are prompted to do so. Step 5. Follow the prompts that come up to get your personal voicemail messages set up. Then, provide your zip code when prompted and click on Next. A drop-down menu will be provided and you'll be asked to choose any US number among them. Provide a PIN to give you access to the phone number. You can now return to your account history on Google Voice. Afterwards, change settings and remove call screening. Whether you are making personal or business calls, Google Voice can be an incredibly useful tool. Now that you have your account set up, you can take advantage of all its features and capability. If you find this video useful, do well to subscribe and turn on notifications for more interesting videos like this. Thanks for watching and bye for now.